Hey guys, this is voice.ai. You can find it at voice.ai.com, and I will leave a link on the description with my invite link. How are we gonna use it? It's very simple to some point. You can either record right here, and it will give you a 15-second recording right here. Let me delete this one, and let me just test it for you. We are on this model here. I'm gonna use this female voice, and I'm gonna click record on this side here. And as you saw, your recording has stopped because it reached its 15-second limit. And let's hear how it sounds.
And this is Omnitech channel. Please, if you're watching this video, hit like and subscribe. It helps us tremendously. Thank you. Voice.ai.
And in the end, you hear that voice.ai because you get only 15 seconds as somebody that didn't pay for it. But there's another method to do this one. You can put your OBS right here. You can go here, properties, and choose this microphone array voice.ai audio cable. Hit OK, put it on the side, and now you can go in live mode right here. Now we are in live mode. Whatever I say after I click voice changer here, it will be recorded by my OBS studio. And let's hear it.
Thank you for watching all these videos, and we appreciate your time and your patience. Please hit like and subscribe. It helps us tremendously.
And yes, this was the AI. As you heard, it's really good. There's other voices as well, and yes, there is a male voice. Let's try that one and see how it sounds, right?
Male voice from voice.ai. I have no idea how this is going to sound, but still,
And now I'm going to stop the voice changer and go back to the voices, and I, for fun, got our president now, and we're just gonna try to record something quick and see how that sounds. It's gonna be fun for sure. Let me put it on record mode, so I'm not gonna start re-recording and doing all that, and let's give it a kick, shall we?
Here's the deal. Now you're at Omnitech channel. You should hit that subscribe button in no time. It helps America, it helps Omnitech, and it helps you. Thank you.
Voice.ai.
And in the end, you get that voice.ai because that's all we can do for now. And yes, you can save the file by clicking right here, and you hit save to wherever you like. It's an MP3 file. You can change it to other qualities if you have a subscription with voice.ai. And it's actually a really beautiful thing, which I don't know how to explain how good of a job this thing does. It's still on its baby steps. Obviously, it's going to get better with time. And if you click right here are the settings, voice tuning, voice universe, that you can get even more voices. You can go to settings and do start with Windows and all that. You have the audio settings, you have model training, which you can set it up for auto train and whatnot. And here, when you go to voices, for example, let me see if they have Mr. Beast. As you see right here, we have Mr. Beast. If you want to train Mr. Beast and make his voice, you have that chance now. This is actually something very interesting. Most of these faces I may not know, especially politicians, so good luck with that. But, oh, Simpsons. Yes, I know that part. I know Rick and Morty. Okay, look at Morty, look at Rick. That's gonna be fun when I reach those when I reach those tokens here, or credits. If you guys download this app via my link, which will be posted on my description below. And that's all I had to say. This app is something else. It's still in beta, but I see the potential with this one, especially if you're a streamer, a gamer, and you just want to have fun around the internet. This is actually a very beautiful thing to do. And with that said, thank you for watching. Hit like, share, subscribe, whatever you can to help me. Bye!
Hit like and subscribe.